All right, hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is August 3rd when I'm recording this. Hopefully you guys are doing all right out there and surviving the market pullback that we've been having. Now, remember, we have been looking for this pullback for quite some time. It has finally arrived, and I'd say it's doing what we want it to do. So it's taking the breadth down, it's fixing the overbought condition, and really it's just kind of a matter of time until this kind of works its way through, and we'll see how it goes from there. Remember, as always, come over to profitpilot.com. You guys can check out more there. You can also do simplertrading.com/moxie. Okay, so let's look at the SPY. And originally what we had going with this is that we had we finally got the Moxie price trigger to fire. And that's what we can see here is right there. And that was our little heads up that we got. And then from there, we got price over the 50, the Moxie indicator below zero. That transitioned into an inverse trampoline move. So, and then the exact moment, and it was hard to know this because then it was news based on the US downgrade, but you can see right there, price got stuck underneath the 15-minute 50 with the Moxie indicator below zero, and that is the perfect situation setup for why price moved down. Of course, it happened with news, but from the charts, there you go. So which came first, the chicken or the egg? I love looking at this kind of stuff. It's so crazy. Anyway, we should probably be expecting a bounce somewhere in here. It's been two really big down days. In fact, the market is even bouncing just a little bit today. We're a little bit oversold on the hourly chart. We are coming into the hourly 200. We'll have to see. Now, I'm not saying that the market's going to go rip and roll right back up from here, but we should be expecting a bit of a bounce around this area. We can also be looking at the internals. The internals are very neutral. Kind of see this, very neutral. And you can see that just from the visual compared to the last 2 days that were down, down, down. Still, there are a fair number of names that are down versus up, but it's doing better. Yesterday was a big day. You can see that was kind of, an excessive level right there underneath. So that's kind of what we're seeing. But overall, I think still a lot of names are doing well. I'm really looking at the Chinese names. If we look at FXI, look at that. We had that pullback yesterday and right back up today. So a lot of Chinese names are doing well. We've got a couple of them. And, I think they're doing fine. I mean, look, Neo and XPEV have been just crazy off-the-wall moves. Now we need to see if there are opportunities to get in. I still think they're a little bit high, but something like that we should be paying attention to. And, these Chinese names are just, they're good. So this is what we're in. We're looking at these. We've been taking some trades on them, and we have some good positions. So if you guys want to be catching what I think is going to be a new good, strong bull run for some of these Chinese names, then come on over to the Moxie room, and, I'll help answer your questions anytime you have them. You can come tune in for any of the sessions that we have, the live sessions, and that way I can help you guys out, find the areas that are working. All right, everybody. Thanks again. We'll see you soon.
Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.